I just want to talk about what happened to me. Not just me, my whole community. The Caldor fire. Was tremendous. It was, tremendous isn't the right word. It was catastrophic. We all left thinking that we were coming back and that the Forest Service would put the fire out. We lived in Grizzly Flats, California. So it was the Caldor fire, August 17th, 2021 is the date that it took out my community in the El Dorado National Forest. That was probably the biggest traumatic thing that I've ever lived through in my whole life. Like, I wanted to live in the mountains for like 25 years. I worked, my whole life, but I worked hard as an adult to finally be able to achieve that goal to move to the mountains. And little did I know that it was so much more than I'd ever dreamed it would be. It was such a close-knit community. There was, they say 12,000 of us 1,200 of us up there. But we were kind of scattered through the mountains, and we were a close-knit community that watched out for each other all the time. And when this fire happened, none of us, I don't think, believed that they wouldn't attack and suppress, and they didn't. They watched and waited and let it burn to the point where it got out of control and there was no stopping it. And I'll definitely post pictures before and after. You will see me getting a little teary-eyed and choked up. I know it's been I guess 3 years now. I had insurance and I was able to rebuild. A lot of my friends are still living in trailers on their properties, and some living even worse than that. I don't know how to say this or express the feeling that I feel when I talk about what happened. I'd never been so damaged in my life. This was huge. And it was quite the undertaking to rebuild and try to help the community at large any way that I could. I am not here wanting like sympathy from anybody. I'm here to tell my story. I want to tell my story, and I want to maybe help others who have suffered some traumatic event. I don't know if it's been like a wildfire, anything that's happened in your life that's caused you to have trauma or PTSD. It's a real thing. I mean, I didn't realize like it's a real thing that really affects your day-to-day life. And I hope that by me being real and posting these videos that I can help someone.